right, guys. Hey, and welcome. So, for anyone looking to get a better understanding of the FCRA Act, specifically Section 605B, or sometimes called credit sweeps, I'm going to be talking about that and giving you guys a complete breakdown on the process in this video. So, let's get into it. A credit sweep basically involves removing fraudulent info from a credit report. And it's a step you might consider if someone has used your identity to open accounts or incur debt without your permission. But here's the key to initiating a credit sweep under FCRA 605B. You need two documents. So first of all, you need a police report or an e-report. This is your official way of documenting the identity theft with law enforcement. It's proof that you've reported the crime, which is essential for the credit sweep process. And second, you're going to need a sworn affidavit. Okay, this is a legal document that basically you got to get notarized, and it serves as your personal testimony to back up your claim. So that's the second thing. With these two documents, you can now contact the credit reporting agencies to request a sweep of the fraudulent info. But it's a crucial step towards reclaiming your credit and your identity. So remember, you're not alone in this. There are resources and professionals to help you through the process. Protecting your credit is key to your financial health, and taking action under FCRA 605B is a powerful step in the right direction if you want to get things removed quickly.